Hello everyone and welcome to Lightsey's Lane Creations. I am Marlo, the owner of Lightsey's Lane, and today I am going to be putting together my sermon notes for services today. I'll be using my own stickers that I created in this particular video. So I hope that you enjoy it. If you think this is something that you like to see regularly, please consider subscribing to my channel. Of course, make sure you like and comment. Make sure you also hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. All right, so I am working in my journal that I got from Walmart. And in this journal, it's my favorite color, it's purple. So I've been capturing my sermon notes and making notes in here regularly. So I need to go ahead and set up for today's sermon notes. As I said, we'll be using the stickers that I created. So as I set up my journal, I'm going to go ahead and cue the music, and I hope you enjoy the music as you enjoy me putting my journal together. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Have a great day. page of the spread. And this is the second page. I'll go back and reprint my date so I can put my date up here. I like to leave this out, this space clear. So I decided to use, first off, let me put my date up here. Printed another set so that I can get the date off of it. So let me go ahead and put that up here first. Since I put it on the wrong page at first. So let's go ahead and get our date set up and straight. Let's see, is that straight? Yeah. Okay. And then I thought this side over here is gonna be a little blank, and I don't want it to be blank. So I found these stickers. I found this quote in my Isabella Jewels sticker box that I got a while back. So I'm gonna put this sticker over here. I think that it works well with the fact that this is my Sunday sermon notes journal. So I wanted to add that sticker in. Alright guys, so thank you for watching my video today. I hope you found something that you liked. I hope you like the colors. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like this spread and what you think of my stickers that I created for my sermon notes. So this page will be where I take all of the notes from the sermon, and then the following pages I will add in my days of the week and my dates. I'll be using these on these two pages to make sure that I'm meditating on whatever the sermon was about for the week. So over here is where I will take notes from the sermon for today, scriptures, and then over here I will make sure that throughout the week, Monday through Saturday, that I am going back and meditating on the scriptures and the sermon, and then making additional notes during the week. Again, I hope you like this video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave a comment on how you like the spread. What did you think about my sticker set and the colorings that I use? And don't forget to share this video with your friends who are also interested in these kinds of videos, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. Thanks for watching. See you later, peeps. Bye.